So guys, wanted to show you what I worked on my E today. As you probably tell my previous videos, my panels were really faded, and so used this Meguiar's Ultimate Black. Got it at Amazon for like $6.50, and then this scrub pad from Walmart came with 2 of them to apply it on. But as you can tell, it makes a big difference. I actually have 1 panel left. I can show you what the difference would be. So this is the tailgate that's left that I need to still do. As you can tell, so this is what it pretty much looked like. I think the tailgate was a little bit more compared to the side panels, but as you can see how faded that is. You can tell the difference right here between the two. That's a treated on the left, obviously, and then untreated on the right. Yeah, got the other side done, so all I have left is a tailgate. I did go ahead and also do the front bumper already. Treated all of it. Pretty simple to put on. You do have to clean the panels first before you put it on. I just used some Lysol wipes, like that one right there, to clean it off, get all the gunk out, the dirt out, and then just apply the bottle. I had to put at least 2 or 3 coats on mine just because of how faded it was. Lots of elbow grease. My elbow hurts now from having to do this, but it looks good. I mean, hopefully it holds up. You can tell it's a lot better. It's like black now, so hopefully holds up. I'll keep you guys updated, see how long it'll last for. It's I know the other option, a lot of Element owners just end up like painting these side panels, but I figured this would be a lot more easier than having to tape up the panels and take out some of the panels, tape them all up. That's a lot of prep work of having to paint it. So with this, it's just, again, the prep work is really just cleaning the panels first and then applying these on. Again, that's the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restore. You can get it for $6.50 at Walmart, or $6.50 with free shipping at Amazon. So try to put a link on the description as well. If you have any questions, ask below. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna be doing some more Element videos, or these kind of restore this Element, mod it out a little bit, and doing some adventures.